Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan and today is day 15 on our adventure of 24 days of tea with David's Tea Advent Calendar. Let's get it open. I spy with my little eye something that is maybe green. I don't know. Ooh. Chocolate orange. A pu'er tea. I did not know chocolate orange was pu'er. Interesting. High caffeine, 4 to 5 minutes for steeping. Let's get our little box on the tree. Getting filled up. Chocolate orange. I've had this one before. It is pretty good. It smells like one of those Terry's oranges, the ones where you whack it on the counter. Smells very good. Let's get some water. Okay, while we let that steep, how about we have a conversation about Christmas lights? I was reading something, I think it was online or somewheres, and people were talking about their favorite traditions and what they really like doing. I think it was on a Facebook thing. Anyways, does not matter. And somebody had actually written in that they have a special book each year that they use, a notebook, and they go out with the family and they drive around and they look at Christmas lights, and one person loves, white lights, and the other person loves, the mixed or colored lights. So they go around and they actually tick off how many of each set of lights that they see, like if a house is decorated in all the different colors of the rainbow or if a house is decorated in just white. And then they add it up and they keep a tally, and each year they can go back in through this book that they have for this and they can actually see the differences. I would actually be interested in the data of it, and to actually see, over times how that's changed. If, there was peaks of, just white lights, and then, as things change and stuff, if it changes, how that goes. So I can see the beauty in both of them. I really enjoy the white lights when they're done really well with, the spotlight on the house with the, what's that thing called? The round thing? The wreath. With the wreaths and the ribbons and everything, and then white lights all over just to kind of accent everything. And I find that that's very beautiful, but it is also very magical to see all those different colors and how some people really display them well. Unfortunately, Jeanette and I put out Christmas lights this year. I can't remember if I told you or not, but the deer actually chewed through them. Ugh. Literally, chomped through the cord, cord completely broken. And we found the Christmas lights in the middle of the lawn in the morning. So the poor little deer had chomped through it and might have got a little bit of a shock and sprung away, and the lights actually flew across the front lawn. So we tried to put out new ones. We went out and bought another set and tried to put them out, and unfortunately the extension cord that was out there was frozen solid, and when I went to plug them in, it bent the prong, and it was not a good time, not a good moment. So hopefully we can get those out shortly, and be able to enjoy some Christmas lights on our own house as well. So that's very fun. We have colored lights on our Christmas tree inside, and previously I'd always used white lights, and Jeanette convinced me to go to colored lights. So it's very beautiful. It's very magical. I love all the different colors and stuff, and I love being able to see the different ornaments and stuff, and it is very magical feeling. So yeah, I really think that's neat. So yeah, anyways, I would love to know what you prefer. Do you like the simplicity or the sophistication of the white lights, or do you like the magicalness of the colored lights? Let me know down in the comments below, and yeah, we'll see who wins. That's time. Okay. It smells very good. Now, of course, if you've been following along and if we've been having tea together, you do know that I like black teas and pu'er teas and oolong teas. Those are my favorite. So, and I also like that little hint of sweetness. And I've tried this tea before and I have enjoyed it. It at one time was one of my wife's favorites, so it was always in the house and I would definitely have it every once in a while. But let's have a try. Yep. That is delicious. I really like that. I would definitely rate this an 8. I'd love to hear what you would rate it. Please let me know if you like this tea, and also what color lights you'd like to see on the houses, and if you drive around and look at them. I love getting in the car and getting a nice cup of hot chocolate and driving around and looking at the lights while listening and singing Christmas carols. So I'd love to hear what you like to do. Leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, please hit like. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And until tomorrow, take care. So good.